to Chlorophyll's YouTube channel that talks about plant one-on-one care, and with response to the previous YouTube send-off that we gave to the plant runners neem oil, introducing the plant runners plant food, I am going to tell you how we take care of our Philodendron Birkin that is so stylish in front of you. This Philodendron Birkin is a good eye catcher, okay, because of its striking foliage. This is a result of mutation that has happened spontaneously in Philodendron Rojo Congo long ago, and this is what we have doing very healthy indoors. This plant loves to be in the balcony for about 1 hour of direct sunlight it could handle, and it would definitely prefer indirect sunlight, semi-shade regions of your house, and do just this best looking, happy and healthy inside with the kind of potting soil that it requires. In this case, we've used a PT soil, okay, which is 50% coco peat, and it is at its happy best only because the plant runners plant food is the best handmade formula from the plant nerds themselves. Alright, so the plant food has a dropper, okay, which helps you pick up as easy as possible the plant food supplement into the graduated glass tube. It is graduated up to 1 ml, and you need to prepare the solution in order to make sure you feed your plants the right dosage. 1 ml of this goes into 1 liter of water. In this case, I'm going to add about half an ml, which is, after all the bubbles drained out, it is exactly at 0.5 ml, which is half an ml. Okay, I'm going to add half an ml into half liter of water. And go swirl, swirl, swirl. Yep. So here we have Bergen & Ball's watering can. I'm gonna use it to water the food supplement into the plant. I'm gonna pour all of my 500 ml into this. For a good plant experience, use Bergen & Ball's watering can from Sheffield, England. Just water a little bit. What are we going to do with the rest of them? I have many plants. What are you going to do with the rest of the water? Food supplemented water. Buy more plants at Chlorophyll. So walk in here to know more about this Philodendron Birkin that lives so happily indoors. There are a lot more plants that we could surprise you with. Please walk in and do let us know in the comments below as to which is your favorite most plant, and your list of favorites that we could talk about in our upcoming videos. So let's keep you posted with a lot more care tips and a lot more plant one-on-one videos. So do reach out to us at Chlorophyll Indranagar, Bengaluru. Bye!